Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Royal Kludge RK87 Wireless TKL Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. So recently my wireless TKL keyboard died and I'm looking for a replacement, but after searching the internet for prices, I was shocked to see how much they actually cost. Average prices range from about $150, with a premium brands such as Razer costing up to $200. That's just nuts. There's no way I'm going to pay $200 for a keyboard. But luckily, I contacted Royal Kludge and they were happy to send us a sample of their RK87 wireless TKL keyboard. So this keyboard is TKL size, which is 10 keyless, around about 85% smaller than your full-size keyboard. It comes with brown switches, which is good enough for gaming and your usual typing. It also features a USB port, which you can connect to your computer, and you can use that wired or wirelessly with a 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle. It also features dynamic RGB illumination and 3 onboard macros, which you can program using the downloadable software from Royal Kludge. I love the size of the TKL keyboard, and what's more, it's wireless, and that's exactly what I'm after. So let's do a quick unboxing, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Royal Kludge RK87 wireless TKL keyboard. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Alright, we have the user manual, and I'm going to take the keyboard out first and take a look at the accessories, see what we have. Okay, let's take a look. Alright, oh, okay, we have 2 items. We have the USB C cable and also the wireless dongle. We also have a included keycap remover. Interesting. And let's take a look at the keyboard itself. It's an all white keyboard, very nice, compact size, the TKL, 85% I believe. It comes with 87 keys, and what I like about this keyboard, this is the correct size for me, is it has the cursor keys. I like that. Delete button, of course, home page, and then page up and down, things like that. So I like this little section here. You can get smaller keyboards, 60%. I'm not a big fan of those, but the TKL size, this is the one I want. And we'll look at the back here first. All right, at the back we have the on-off switch for the wireless connection, and also have these stilts for the keyboard, so you can actually put that at an angle. So very nice. Here we have the USB-C port, and you can connect that as a standalone keyboard to your computer, but also doubles as a charging port for your wireless. Okay, I like the quality of the keyboard, very nice, and it has these brown switches, which is quite responsive and not too clicky. That's what I like. Now, it is quite thick in terms of the thickness of the keyboard. I've seen thinner, but you know, for wireless it's okay. I believe this is the kind of keyboard that you expect. It comes with an 1850 milliamp battery, and according to the website it could last up to 7 days, but I think it should last at least 4 or 5 days for usage. Alright, so let's switch this on and see what it looks like. This is the wireless part, and you can see it right away. Got some RGB going on there, very nice. The RGB and the 3 onboard macros can be programmed using the software, which you can download from Royal Kludge. Alright, so this is a quick unboxing of the Royal Kludge RK87 wireless TKL mechanical keyboard. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Royal Kludge RK87 wireless TKL mechanical keyboard. It comes with brown switches, 3 onboard macros, RGB illumination, and of course, it's totally wireless. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews, and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. And one more thing, if you click on the link and use the coupon code FunkyKit, you get an extra 10% off on all Royal Kludge products. Until next time, this is Winston for FunkyKit.com.